Hello everyone, how are you doing? I just wanted to come on and show you that I dehydrated some apples. I forgot what type they are. Shame on me. But I sliced them real thin and placed them on these trays. And before I placed them on the trays, I put them in a bowl and sprinkled lemon juice on them and a little water. And then I took them off and patted them dry and placed them on these trays. It took about 7 hours to dehydrate these, and I didn't core them. I could have, but I didn't take the seeds out. I just sliced them. So I'm just going to store them in this mason jar, and they're pretty crispy apple chips. I'll store them in this container, and I will be placing this in the pantry to snack on. And how long will these last? Airtight container, as long as they are thoroughly dry and no moisture, kept in a dark place, dark cool place. It says they can last for a year, but I seriously doubt that these will last a year. I'm sure I'll be snacking on them. I wanted to see if I can get them all in this one. I don't know. I might have to get another mason jar. Hopefully not. It's a good healthy snack, and they're sweet. And you know, when you dehydrate them, you could have, I could have sprinkled cinnamon sugar. I could have sprinkled them, but I just left them plain. They're sweet enough for me. It looks like that's all. Maybe I'll have the rest for snack today. That's all I can get in there. So I'll just put the top on, and what I do is put a piece of tape on the lid, and I'll write today's date down. And store them in the cabinet. What is today? The 9th? 23, and I'm just going to put apple chips, which we can see what they are, but I'm just going to label them. I use a piece of tape so that when I wash this container, I can just pull the tape off and relabel it for whatever else. There we be. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.